Let's make your interior dreams come true and take a tour of this blue tongue coastal inspired home which features Intrim's VJ board panelling. VJ wall panelling has become one of the biggest trends in the construction industry for anyone who's building a coastal home. This hallway features Intrim's VJ Board Pro 100. It's available in various sheet sizes and can run from ceiling to floor in one piece. Coastal style has become increasingly popular and is all about embracing the beauty of Hamptons with a touch of coastal living. VJ board panelling has been used in this master bedroom to create a feature wall and is the perfect backdrop to the white and navy coastal furnishings. Come and see the Intrim VJ Board Pro in this beautiful home at Leppington, New South Wales, or order a sample online at intrimmouldings.com.au. Ask your builder for Intrim VJ Board Pro to create a spectacular interior for your coastal dream home.